So today we're going to be doing a video on Dolforwyn Castle. It is a bit windy today, but the Neo is handling it okay. So if we start going now up this hill, should be all right here because it is following me really well at the moment. I am getting the Neo going now, so this is Evan's Fitness and Gym Build channel. I just want to say thank you for all the subscribers and views that I've had at the moment. And I've got to say, in Caden's Canal Ride Part 2, the Neo went a bit wonky. It just crashed into a stick. So it didn't want to go anymore. So we got that fixed. And now that's working. And I've had a new phone. iPhone 15 Plus. Nice new one. So now I have to get the gates open. Dad's gate. There we go. Right, we're over the gates now. That's a good thing. Right, we're going to start jogging now. So, my dad's going to be left behind. He's catching up now. Remember, if you're jogging, pace yourself. Right, so back walking again. It's a really steep hills. Just do be careful. Hang on a minute, there's dogs. Sorry. It's alright. Oh. It's disgusting up here. Be careful. Make sure to keep your grip. Oh, it is a really nice breezy day. Really good. Why did the Neo go up then, I wonder? And I'm recording the audio from some mics I got from Amazon. Maps. Let me just have a look at that. Map. Come on. Jog again down here. Right. This is Dolforwyn Castle, Castell Dolforwyn. So, as you can see, I am quite Welsh. So, first we're going to go up into this room. Now, here now, so down here. Nice view up here. So what I'm doing is, that's the action. So now, I'm going to go down here. Oh, God. It doesn't like it really, but it's alright. Dad, it is going up and down, and it's not liking it. Hang on. Yeah? Right, come this way then. She should be okay, she's using a bit more battery. Well, at least it's blooming worth getting the videos. Right, so now, I'll hop up here. Oh, there's blooming kids here today. Oh dear. So, just hop down here. Don't fall, but hop down. Hop down. Sit. So, we go down here now. You'll go up here, and I think you should have a bit of a like treasure hunty type map thing that tells you all about the castle. So there's gridlock stairs here. Careful with small children, and I don't think the Neo likes gridlock stairs. We can always what? I'm going down here. I'm just Dad being silly at the moment. So please risk it. It's done it now. That's it. Oh, careful, there is a step there. I did think a bit. There is trip hazards. There is an ancient toilet, and we go here. Now this. It is liking it, I think. Around here. And we're back down. So if we go this way here now. Seen up here. Actually, I'll just take you up here now. Round. Excuse me. Thank you. It's got obstacle avoidance. I have to say excuse me, and then they should move. So we'll go back up here. Go around here now. It is nice. Battery life, you got 37, so I'm going to start jogging. Got here. I will upload a video that I've used the RCN3 remote to fly it round with. So, and I've done all the castle with that. This is just a bit of a voice, and I just put a voiceover on it. More gridlock steps. Handles them all right. Got this little room here. And got that. So, got the gridlock stairs. And I think now, let's go around here. Then we're nearly done. We haven't been over here yet. And up here, you just got this little cubby thingy type thing. And then I'll come back round. And then you got here. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go around here, see what's here. Just got this bit. Link in the description for the Google Maps thing. And that. Got me up there. That's useless. By the way, this is a really nice castle and a nice view if you have a drone. Just be careful. Don't bring drones over 3 kilograms. Inspire DJI Inspire 3, Inspire 2, Phantom, or any other drone over 8 kilograms, do not bring. So I'm just going to go up these stairs here. It isn't very careful up here. And see you again, guys. See ya!